Before installing a decal, wipe the surface with isopropyl alcohol. Dry the surface completely with a clean, lint-free cloth. Position the decal on the surface and use masking tape to hold the graphic in place. Use a tape measure to determine correct placement based on the application layout. Measure multiple sections of the graphic to be certain that it is level. Placing tape at center point edges will allow the installer to create a hinge. Using the hinge, turn one side of the decal over and slowly peel back the backing paper from a corner of the film. Be sure to remove the backing paper at a 180-degree angle. Smaller pieces of decal may stick to the backing paper. Being careful not to damage the decal, the installer can use a retractable blade to help remove stuck pieces and ensure the decal remains on the pre-mask. Place the graphic back onto the surface using the masking tape as a reference point. Use a plastic squeegee to press the decal firmly into the surface using vertical, firm, overlapping strokes. Repeat this process with the remaining side of the decal. Slowly remove the pre-mask by pulling gently at a downward angle. If parts of the decal pull away from the surface, use your squeegee to reapply those pieces before removing the pre-mask. Once the pre-mask is fully removed, use the squeegee over the entire graphic once more to remove any air bubbles and wrinkles. If the surface that the decal has been applied to has rivets or panel lines, use an air release pen tool, torch, and rivet brush to complete the application process. Also use a retractable blade to cut along the panel line, and a squeegee to seal the edges of the graphic to the surface. If there is an excessive amount of fingerprints, wipe the surface with a residue-free cleaner. Interested in becoming a Lowen certified installer? Visit lowencertified.com today for the current course calendar.